Hi everyone! Are you looking for a reliable way to stay connected and safe when the power goes out? Today we are taking a closer look at the best emergency weather radio on the market. Welcome back to Cool Product, your go-to channel for the most useful gadgets around. Let's get started. When unpredictable storms strike, being prepared is everything, and the Quibe Emergency Weather Radio is built to be your ultimate dependable companion. The Quibe brand designed this specifically for situations where staying connected is absolutely essential. One of the most outstanding features of this radio is its incredibly massive 74,000 mAh or 20,000 mAh battery. This powerhouse offers an extended runtime for both communication and lighting when sudden power outages hit. It ensures you have the juice needed to reach loved ones or contact emergency services. On a single charge, its long-lasting performance provides up to 35 hours of continuous radio playback and up to 50 hours of reading light use, greatly reducing the need for constant recharging. Staying informed can save lives, and this device fully supports AM, FM, NOAA, and SW channels. It requires simple manual tuning to help you receive critical weather alerts right when you need them. Whether you are facing cyclones, hurricanes, tsunamis, or severe storms, this radio is carefully crafted to keep you updated during any life-threatening event. Have you ever struggled to find your way in the dark during a blackout? The QE radio completely solves this by featuring a built-in 3W super bright flashlight and a 5W reading lamp. These provide incredibly practical illumination, proving invaluable when you are navigating a dark house or signaling for help. Portability is clearly a key highlight of this rugged design. It features a compact and lightweight body, along with a 52-centimeter extended antenna that massively boosts your signal reception, even in remote areas. For an added layer of safety, it includes a loud SOS alarm, making it a highly helpful tool for trekking, hiking, or quick emergency evacuations. Despite its small footprint, this amazing radio is also fully capable of acting as a power bank. It can charge your smartphone or other USB-powered devices long enough to allow for critical communication when your phone battery drops to zero. You will never have to worry about this radio dying on you because it offers multiple convenient charging modes. You can easily charge it up using the fast USB Type-C port, the manual hand crank power, or the built-in solar panel. These smart charging options ensure the radio remains completely functional even when conventional power sources fail you. To top it all off, it features an impressive IPX6 waterproof rating. This greatly enhances its overall durability, allowing it to easily withstand harsh weather conditions during heavy outdoor use. Bring essential peace of mind to your home and outdoor adventures today. If you want to add this reliable emergency gadget to your survival kit, make sure to check the price link in the description. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more gear reviews. Thank you so much for watching.